Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Norman, and today I'm going to present about the effect of the measurement of food quality by drying of foods. Drying in general means the removal of relatively small amounts of water from material. In drying, the water is usually removed as vapor by air. Drying protects food from bacteria and mold by removing the moisture content of the food product. The purpose of the experiment is to produce drying and drying rate curves for a wet solid being dried with air of good temperature and humidity, and to compare the quality of food before and after drying. According to Smith, the height of heat transfer due to thermal treatment may result to the effect of twisting, browning, searing, chilling, or freezing. An increase in temperature will increase the drying rate of food. In this methodology, we're going to talk about the material and the methods we need to do for this experiment. We need to use apple as a sample of experiment container, electronic weighing scale, peeler, knife, and a cutting board. For the methods, in this experiment, we use gravimetric method where the sample is weighed and dried until the sample mass reaches a constant value. To calculate the moisture content, we're going to use this formula. For the result and discussion, we can actually compare between fresh fruit and dried fruits, where fresh fruits are basically juicy, heavier, and can hold up to 2 weeks in room temperature, while dried fruits, their body structure shrinks, becomes brownish in color, lighter, and can only hold up to a month in storage in room temperature. The experiments are conducted in the oven, under the sun, and in front of fans in a room. And from this experiment, we can see that drying rate in the oven is the highest, followed by under the sun and in front of fans in the room. The experiment was conducted under the assumption of controlled conditions, which humidity and temperature are constant. However, drying under the sun and in front of fan does not conducted under controlled humidity and temperature change, and it is directly in contact with the environment. And there is temperature and humidity difference in morning, noon, and evening. Despite that, the fruit were dried successfully. Loss of mass can be caused both by the release of water and other materials that can also decompose during drying and thereby release decomposition products. Gravimetric methods are only suitable for the measurement of water content, by assuming that decomposition processes do not take place and other volatiles are not present. The dried fruits that are being dried under the sun and in front of fan are unhygienic to be eaten, since it is exposed to many unknown bacteria. Weiser and Carr believe some products are not possible to be dried in the sun. However, the desired quality might not be obtained when it is done. Plus, the uncontrollable weather condition will cause the production rate to be unsystematic, as the temperature and humidity will always change according to nature.